Good morning to all. Welcome in lecture of basic electrical and electronics engineering subject. In previous lecture, we had studied or discussed the some magnetic quantities related to the magnetic circuit. What is the magnetic field? What is the magnetic flux? And what is the magnetic field strength? What is the magnetic field density? And what is the magnetomotive force? In this lecture, we are going to study the some magnetic quantity related to the magnetic circuit. Which are the quantities? Permeability. What is the permeability? What is the reluctance? What is the permanence? What is the magnetic leakage factor? And what is the magnetic circuit? And last point is difference between the electric and magnetic circuit. The first, what is the permeability? The permeability, it is defined as ability of material to carry the magnetic flux. That is the material which allow the easily magnetic flux through it. That is the permeability of that material. The ability of material to carry the magnetic flux is called as permeability. There are two types of permeability. Absolute permeability. What is the absolute permeability? It is denoted by mu and it is defined as the ratio of magnetic flux density to magnetic field strength. That is the absolute permeability is denoted by mu, and mu equal to the ratio of magnetic flux density to magnetic field strength. The unit of absolute permeability is, or absolute permeability is measured in Henry per meter. That is the H by M. The permeability of free space or air or non-magnetic material, it is denoted by mu 0 and it is given as 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter, and it is the constant. That is, the permeability is nothing but the ability of material to carry the magnetic flux. Then next type of permeability is relative permeability. It is denoted by mu r. What is the relative permeability? The relative permeability is defined as the ratio of permeability of given material or medium to the permeability of free space. That is, the mu r is given by mu 0. Mu is the permeability of material and mu 0 is the permeability of free space. And here mu 0 is given as 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter, H per meter. The magnetic permeability of the iron is much more than air. That is, the permeability of iron is more as compared to permeability of air. The permeability of air or vacuum is very poor. Here figure shows the most of magnetic line passes to the soft air ring, and here magnetic line passing through the air. That is the less magnetic line passing through the air, that is the permeability of air is poor, and more magnetic line passing through the air, so permeability of air is more as compared to air. Then next, what is the reluctance? Reluctance is denoted by S. The definition of reluctance is defined as the opposition to flow of magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit. That is, the reluctance is the opposition to flow of magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit. It is denoted by S, and it is given as the S equal to MMF, magnetomotive force by flux. The S equal to F by phi, and F equal to F is nothing but MMF, and F is equal to Ni by phi. The unit of the reluctance is ampere turn per vapor, that is AT per vapor. Then here this is the electrical circuit and this is the magnetic circuit. Electrical circuit consists source. Then here magnetic circuit is also here AC source. In electrical circuit this is source. Then in electrical circuit current are flowing. In magnetic circuit magnetic flux are flowing. Then in electrical circuit there is the resistance, and in magnetic circuit there is the reluctance. That is, the reluctance are in magnetic circuit and resistance are in electrical circuit. And what is the resistance? Resistance is also opposition to flow of electric current in a electric circuit. That is the reluctance. Reluctance is nothing but the opposition to flow of magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit. Then permanence. Permanence, it is defined as the reciprocal of the magnetic reluctance. That is, permanence is the reciprocal of magnetic reluctance. It is given by permanence, it is denoted by P, and it is given by 1 upon reluctance, 1 by reluctance, 1 by S. And unit of permanence is Weber per ampere. Then what is the magnetic leakage factor? Here this is the magnetic circuit. This magnetic circuit is iron magnetic core. Iron magnetic core, on iron magnetic core coil is wound, and when current is flowing through this coil, then the magnetic flux are established in the core. That is, magnetic flux are established in the core. Then some magnetic flux are not confined with the magnetic core or in the magnetic core, and this flux is the useless flux, and this flux is called as leakage flux. The flux which are not the confined with the core, this flux is the leakage flux. And the flux which are confined in the core, this flux is the useful flux. This is the magnetic circuit. Magnetic circuit consists of iron core. On iron core, coil is wound. When a coil has n number of turns, when current flowing through the coil, the magnetic flux are established in the magnetic core, and some the magnetic flux are not confined with the core. This flux is called as leakage flux, and useful flux means the flux which are confined in the magnetic core. That is the magnetic leakage factor. All the flux lines created by a current carrying coil may not be confined to the magnetic core associated with that coil. The amount of flux which is perfectly confined in the magnetic core, the flux which are perfectly confined in the magnetic core is known as useful flux. The flux may be in very little amount which is not confined to the magnetic core is known as leakage flux, and this flux is the practically useless. That is, the confined magnetic flux with magnetic core is useful flux. Not confined to the flux which are not confined to the magnetic core is the leakage flux. Then magnetic leakage factor definition, it is the defined as the ratio of total flux created by a current carrying coil to the useful flux confined in the magnetic core is known as leakage factor. That is the leakage flux factor. It is denoted by lambda, and it is given as the ratio of total flux to useful flux is nothing but leakage flux. Then what is the magnetic circuit? Here figure show the magnetic circuit. This is also magnetic circuit. This magnetic circuit magnetic core is you. This is the magnetic core. This also magnetic core, and this magnetic core is iron, and this magnetic core is in rectangular form, and this magnetic core is in circular form. Working are same of both magnetic circuit. Then here magnetic circuit consists core. On core, coil is wound. Coil has n number of turns. Then when current is flowing through this coil, the magnetic flux is established in a magnetic core. That is the magnetic when current are flowing through the coil. These magnetic flux are established or produced in the magnetic core. Then this magnetic flux, if start from this point, then start from this point and complete also this point when completed its path. Then I is current flowing through the coil. AC is the cross sectional area of coil. The coil has n number of turns, and magnetic flux line, it is denoted by phi. That is the magnetic circuit. Magnetic circuit consists the iron core, magnetic core, and this magnetic core, iron core, coil are wound. Coil is made up from copper. When current flowing through this coil, the magnetic flux are established in a core. The coil has a n number of turns, and I is current flowing through the coil, and the A is the cross sectional area of a core. That is the magnetic circuit. The magnetic circuit definition: the magnetic circuit is defined as closed path followed by the magnetic flux. In electrical circuit there is the electrical current. In magnetic circuit there is the magnetic flux. The magnetic circuit is made of magnetic material which having the high permeability, such as iron, soft steel, so on. The flux is generated by magnet. It can be permanent magnet or electromagnets. The magnetic flux or magnetic line of force start from point and end at the same point. That is the start from point and end at the same point after completing its path. In magnetic circuit, the magnetic circuit are used in various devices like electrical motor, transformer, relays, generator. Magnetic circuit where it is used in motor, transformer, relays, generator. That is the magnetic example of also magnetic circuit. Then what is the difference between electric and magnetic circuits? The first circuit diagram. The circuit diagram here shown in figure. In circuit diagram, here EMF is applied, here EMF, here MMF. Then in electrical circuit there is current flowing through the circuit. In magnetic circuit, magnetic flux. In electrical circuit there is the resistance. In magnetic circuit there is the reluctance. Then what is the electrical circuit? Second point. Definition. The electrical circuit is defined as the closed path followed by electric circuit. What is the magnetic circuit? The magnetic circuit is defined as closed path followed by magnetic circuit. Then what is the basic difference between electric circuit and magnetic circuit? In electrical circuit, the flow of electrons inside a conducting material is called electrical current, and this electrical current is denoted by I. The unit of current is ampere. It is denoted by A. The formula of current I equal to EMF by R, or we can write also V by R. In magnetic circuit, the total number of magnetic line of force in a magnetic field is called magnetic flux. It is denoted by phi. The unit of magnetic flux is Weber, WB. The formula of flux is phi equal to MMF by S. We can write also phi equal to NI by S. S is nothing but reluctance. That is, in electrical circuit there is the current, and in magnetic circuit there is the magnetic flux. Then another difference. Another difference is properties. That is the flowing properties. In electrical circuit, the conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. It is denoted by G, and the unit of conductance is the S, and the formula of conductance G equal to 1 by R. In magnetic circuit, permanence. The permanence is reciprocal of reluctance. It is denoted by P. The unit of permanence is Weber per ampere turn, or the formula is given by P equal to 1 by S, that is the reluctance. Then density, that is the in electrical circuit there is the conductance, in magnetic circuit there is the permanence. Then current density, in electrical circuit the current density is the electrical current flowing per unit cross sectional area of a material. It is denoted by the delta. The unit is ampere per meter square, and the formula delta equal to I upon A. Sorry, current upon A means I means current, A means area, cross sectional area. In magnetic circuit, flux density, the flux density is the magnetic flux flowing per unit cross sectional area of magnetic material. It is denoted by B. Magnetic flux density is denoted by B. The unit of magnetic flux density is Weber per meter square or Tesla. The formula of magnetic flux density is B equal to phi by A. A is the cross section area and phi is the magnetic flux. Then continue in electrical circuit. The electrical field strength is a electromotive force per unit electric charge. It is denoted by electric field intensity. The electrical field intensity is denoted by E. The unit of electrical field strength is volt per meter. The formula for electrical field strength is E equal to EMF by Q. The magnetic field strength is the magnetomotive force per unit length. It is denoted by H. The unit of magnetic field strength is ampere per meter, and the magnetic field strength is given by H equal to MMF by L, that is the H equal to N I by L. L is the length of magnetic circuit in meter. Then 7 number, an electrical circuit current in an electrical circuit does not actually flow. In electrical circuit the current is in an electrical circuit flow actually. In magnetic circuit, flux in a magnetic circuit does not actually flow. That is, current is not passed through the air. Flux can be passed through air also. The 8 number, circuit role. Electrical circuit. The electric current flows from positive to negative terminals. In magnetic circuit, the magnetic flux flows from N pole to S pole. N pole to S pole. The electrical circuit, the opposition, the flow of electrical current in electrical circuit is called as resistance. It is denoted by R. R equal to V by I. The unit of resistance is ohm. The magnetic circuit, the opposition, the flow of magnetic flux are called as reluctance. The reluctance is denoted by S. S equal to N Ni by phi. The unit of reluctance is ampere turn per vapor. In electrical circuit, the electrical force which causes the electrons to move in a particular direction is called as electromotive force. The electrical force which causes the electrons to flow in particular direction is called as electromotive force, and it is denoted by V, and unit of electromotive force is volts. In magnetic circuit, the magnetic force which set up the magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit called as magnetomotive force. It is denoted by F. F equal to Ni. The unit of MMF is ampere turn. That is the difference between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. First, circuit diagram. In electrical circuit there is the current. In magnetic circuit there is the magnetic flux. Then in electrical circuit there is the conductance. In magnetic circuit there is the permanence. In electrical circuit there is the electric current density. In magnetic circuit there is the magnetic flux density. In electrical circuit there is the electrical field strength. In magnetic circuit there is the magnetic field strength. Electrical circuit current is actually flow. In magnetic circuit flux is not actually flow. Current cannot be flow through the air. Flux can be flowing through the air. In electrical circuit, the electrical current is always flowing from positive to negative terminals. In magnetic circuit, the magnetic flux flowing from N pole to S pole.